Back to school season is among us, and if you have some trouble sorting out lunch ideas for back to school, we got you covered. Hi Vitamart family, my name is Nikki and welcome back or welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be fitting in a lunch idea into this mason jar because mason jars are actually surprisingly convenient for back to school lunch season. There are many things that you could use a mason jar for example smoothies, salads, soups, and the list goes on and on. Today we're going to be making a very nutrient dense and filling lunch which will include protein, greens, and everything that you need. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to start filling up my jar with is quinoa, and you can use couscous, quinoa, brown rice, white rice, really any kind of grain or protein that you'd like. This will be the most filling part of the salad, so make sure you get a pretty good amount in there. Once we have the base done, you can either go in straight with your greens or you could add some cooked vegetables for a little extra oomph, you know? I'm going to be using sweet potatoes because they're just going to go with the salad combination that I'm trying to go for. And just add those to my jar. Okay, so next we're going to add some greens, and obviously this is important for a salad. And we're going to add our greens into our bowl, or mason jar. Sorry. Now add a second vegetable of choice. I'm going to be using avocados. A little hack is to cut your avocado into a grid, and then it's very, very easy to get it out with a spoon. Take your gridded avocado and you can just scoop it out and it goes straight into these little, cubes. Okay, so we're almost done our salad lunch. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle some hemp hearts at the top. And you can find hemp hearts on Vitamart.ca, of course, along with extra other grains and ingredients that you could add to your salads and meals. Now all you have to do is close up your little mason jar, and we're also going to take a sauce on the side for the salad. So I have this little container here which I'm going to put the sauce in, and these are super convenient for sauces as they're just the right size. So I'm going to add some salad oil to this little container. And then I also love this balsamic vinegar, which I'm going to add here as well. And here we go, we have our little sauce. Make sure to close it well, of course. And there you go, you have a perfect salad jar lunch. This is super easy to assemble when lunchtime comes around because you can just shake up the jar, pour in the sauce, and you're good. We hope you enjoyed this video of back to school lunches. Let us know in the comments what else you'd like to see on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!